Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys what's on my Mac. So here we are, guys, and I'm going to be showing you guys what's on my Mac in this video. I really like doing these videos, showing you guys what apps I'm using for right now. And here's just a few fun apps that I've been using. They're not necessarily in my day-to-day workflow because I actually don't install apps that frequently that are actually used in my daily workflow. I install a lot of apps, but if they're actually used every day, it's a different story. So let me go on and show you guys what I have on my Mac right now. First is AirPlayer. I've showed you guys this before. It's got kind of a new look, and I just really like this app. And there's a few bug fixes too. And I've got my iPhone 4 right here. And I'm going to tap on this video to start playing it. I've got my AirPlay icon, and I'm going to hit my iMac here. And now it's sending it to my iMac. And if we're lucky, there comes QuickTime. And it will open up QuickTime and start playing this video. This is actually a clip from House from the last episode. Really cool. Oops, and I'm not going to play too much of it here because I don't want to get in trouble from Fox or anybody like that. But it's really cool. I really like it. And so you can say, you have a friend come in and say, "Hey, I have this really cool movie. Will you watch it with me?" Say, "Sure," and you can put it right on your Mac or whatever. Hey, check out these, these clips I have or whatever. So it's really neat. Unfortunately, it only works with movies. It does not work with pictures or anything like that. It's really picky, but it does work, and it's really neat. Next thing I want to show you is Mac Tracker. This is an app that it's really neat that it allows you to see every Apple product pretty well ever made. This guy's gotten together and gotten information about all Apple products. So here's a QuickTime video conferencing camera 100. I've never really heard of it. Let's click on it here. And there's what it looks like, and you can see what kind of power it took. It was an S-Video RCA, so it was standard definition. That's what it looked like. There's some history about it. It's really neat, and then you can go in there and say, well, this is the iSight that came next. And it's just really neat to see all this. I really like seeing all these Apple products. And if you've got a question about, well, I wonder, what the first iPhone was like. So I can go in here and say, I don't know, devices, or let's see here. Devices, and then I'm going to click iPhone. Okay, so there's the iPhone. Oops. And so we can see all about the iPhone, the first iPhone, when it first shipped, how much data or how much storage it had originally shipped before, I remember. But it's really cool, so it's really neat to look back and remember these products. So this is free, and all the links for these apps will be in the description, by the way. So I'm going to close this out. Next one is Status Bar. This is an app that will actually remove the status bar from your iOS screenshots. It's really cool. It's just kind of neat saying you don't want people to know when the screenshot was taken for the time, or maybe what carrier, or say you're a developer and you want to get rid of that to submit to the App Store. So all you do is you take your screenshot here, which here's what it looks like, by the way. You take your screenshot there, you drag it into this app, you select the folder. I've already got my folder selected. I'll just add that underscore cropped to the file. And now here it is, and that's what it looks like, and it's really, really neat to see how that works out. And I just really think that's neat, and it's free in the Mac App Store, which is even better. Next is a game called Gold Strike. It is made by one of my favorite little gaming companies. I believe it's Clever Media. They make some really neat little games. It's free in the Mac App Store. This has a few game modes, and I'm going to be showing you this one. And it's kind of a newer take on kind of an old school thing here, where you just basically get rid of it's kind of like Tetris, but sideways, in the sense where you're just getting rid of the blocks that are two or more in a row, or touching two or more. So there, and there, and then there. And we're waiting, and then we'll move another one forward. And let's see, that. And I'm pretty terrible at this, but you get the idea. It's a lot of fun, and it's free in the Mac App Store, which is even better. Alright, guys, and the last game I want to show you is Minecraft. This is not in the Mac App Store. In fact, this is a Mac and PC port, so it is not just for the Mac OS, but it is in a beta, unfortunately, so it's not finished. But it's basically a building game where you can build you know, whatever you want. So there's that huge house there. Here's my house built out of gold. And you can get this far. You know, I did cheat on this one, unfortunately, but I do have games where I have played correctly. So let me go to this world here that I've played. I think I'm stuck underground in this one, though. Hopefully I am not. But this is a really, really cool game. You can build all kinds of stuff. You mine to actually find the things to build with. So let me actually sleep here. So there's a bed that I made. You have to build everything. Nothing is just there for you. You have to go start by cutting down trees, and then once you get trees, then you go from there. And it's really neat like that. And there's a mob on fire is what the monsters are called in this game. They're called mobs. So there is a mob on fire. That's a zombie. Let's see if we can see. There's another one on fire. I think that's another zombie too. Yeah, it's really neat to play. I really, really love this game. I encourage you to check it out at Minecraft.net. But it's really cool. So as you can see, here's the house I built. I got 2 trees on top. Unfortunately, one grew taller than the other. I don't know why that happens. One grew taller than the other. I've got iron weapons here, as you can see. So I actually had to mine the iron to make these well, not weapons, but these tools. Let's see here. And as you can see, I've got some gold here, but I've got some more gold, but it's just ore. So I'm going to stick it in the furnace, stick a few things of coal in here to get started, and now that'll break down to make some gold ignite. Ignite. So there we go. There's my chest where I keep stuff. And I really encourage you to check this out. I'll show you my mine here real quick, and then I'll call it a video. Call it a day here. But as you can see, we're going down. I got a ladder here that my guy's climbing down. And we'll go and check out my mine here. We'll go this way. It's more interesting to go this way. So we're going to go up through here. And it's a lot of fun to play this game. I keep repeating myself, don't I? But I really encourage you to check out this game. As you can see, I'm mining the stone here and building me a staircase to get down here, so I don't have to jump and hurt myself, even though I am wearing armor. There we go. We're okay. And I'll actually put me some stairs here. And next time, I won't have to worry about it. And okay, oops. See, I messed up there, but I can use my pickaxe and get rid of it. So there we go. And like I don't know if I said this, but you can play on a multiplayer game, so you and a bunch of friends can sit down and play this if you have a server. I tried to set up a server, but unfortunately I could not because of the router and just the way everything's set up at my home. But there you have it. So, this is Minecraft, and this is my What's on My Mac video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And when you guys subscribe, you're automatically notified when I make a new video. So, please make sure you do that. And there are more giveaways on the way, guys. I promise. So, don't feel like, you know, there aren't any more giveaways. I'm done. I'm not done giving giveaways. I promise there are some more to come in the future. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.